we had some really good news about step 2, and I just want to thank people like Kamal, an incredible leader within our community, but everyone right across the province putting vaccines into people's arms. So I want to thank all the frontline healthcare workers. I want to thank all the Ontarians that came out to get vaccinated. If you haven't received your first vaccination, please go out and get your vaccination. And if you have your first, please go out and get your second dose as soon as possible. And we're very grateful. And I can tell you, I'm not going to stop working until we get everyone vaccinated. We got to get every single business open and the economy booming again, and we'll get that done as soon as we get more vaccines into people's arms.
I know you've been incredibly available to all the people, but today's big announcement, why wouldn't you have a press conference and announce a big announcement like today?
Well, we're busy making sure we get vaccines into people's arms, and I just want to thank people. That's really what it is, thanking people for getting out there, and they're doing a great job. So we're very grateful.
Does this speed up the whole timeline, or is it just this one stage?
Well, this is step 2, and if we continue getting vaccines into people's arms, we'll be sitting down with Dr. Moore, the new Chief Medical Officer of Health, and let's just get vaccinations done, and we won't stop working until that gets done and we get every single company up and running. We're pretty well 90% there. There's a few other ones we have to get up and going in step 3, but again, I just want to thank everyone.
We'll take one more, then we got to hit the road.
A huge tragedy is being unfolded again.
Yeah, it's
with
terrible.
Unmarked graves. First of all, do we have unmarked graves to be discovered in Ontario?
Well,
and
yeah.
your thoughts about that?
Yeah, it's an absolute tragedy. My heart and prayers go out to the First Nations community right across our country. We've given $10 million to make sure that we put all the resources, the Indigenous communities across Ontario, to find if there's any graves in Ontario. It's heart-wrenching. You think of these poor kids. It's heart-wrenching, and we have to make sure that we put all the resources in to find out if there's any unmarked graves here in Ontario. It's a tragedy, an absolute tragedy.
Thanks, everyone.
So thank you.